Hello everybody, it's Christmas time. In a couple days so we're going to make this delicious dessert. All we need are peanut butter and 2 bags of Lilly dark chocolate chip and white chocolate chip and some sprinkle for Christmas theme. Alright, here we'll pour the peanut butter into the cup and then we're going to microwave to melt it so that we can pour into our chocolate to mix with them, okay? Alright, so we try to get everything up. Here is how it looks like. We're gonna microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds and then we'll be right back. Okay, so while waiting, we're gonna pour about 2 cups of unsalted roasted peanut, okay? One bag of Lilly dark chocolate chip. 1 bag of white chocolate chip. This one is the no added sugar, okay? You can use the added sugar. The creamy peanut butter, it's all melted. We're gonna pour that into the pot. And this, we're using a crock pot to make it. It's very simple and easy to make. Everybody can make it. We'll use a spatula to stir and mix everything together to make sure everything are very well incorporated before we turn on the heat. And it's super good and we don't want to waste anything, right? So now we'll cover the lid. Plug in the pot and then we'll set that into low for 1.5 hours. If you don't have crock pot, you can put it in the pot and then put it on the stove over low heat, but keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't burn. While you're in the process, you have to stir it once or twice to make sure it doesn't burn or anything like that. So here I have about 28 minutes left, so I will continue. After it's done, look at that, how beautiful that is. I will give it another quick stir. That is what we're looking for. Okay, now in a baking pan, I will cover with a parchment paper and then using a spatula, a spoon or anything to scoop out the size you like. Put it into this baking sheet. You can shape into anything. I'm just doing like a regular cookie, but well, you can call it cookie or candy. It doesn't matter. You can name it whatever you like, right? So I got about 10 of these cookies or candy. If you find any information you enjoy making this dessert or you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. It will make a big difference in my channel. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video. I'll put that aside and then get another tray. The rest I will form into a chocolate peanut butter ball, okay? It sounds delicious already. So be very careful, okay? Not too hard but still warm to the touch. So if you can't handle the heat, let it cool down a little bit before you form it, okay? But I'm okay with it. I got about 13 balls out of the rest. Also, if you enjoy this dessert recipe, I am sure you will like to check out my other dessert recipe as well. I will put a playlist at the end of the end screen and on the I button on the right side here, alright? Okay, so after we're all done, I'm gonna make a really fun creation here. I like Christmas theme, so I will sprinkle some Christmas sprinkler here. If you don't like sprinkle, you can certainly omit that, okay? So look at that. And I also sprinkle some into the bowl as well. Alright, so once you're all done, look at that. We will put into the fridge to chill or harden for about an hour. Okay, so after it's got done hardened, look at that. So now it's time to take a taste test. Everybody, look at how beautiful that is. Our Christmas candy or cookie, whatever you can name it, okay? It's a Christmas theme, so beautiful, just like all the Christmas light. Okay, so let's taste it. It's so beautiful. Look at that. It's so good, everybody. It's only made of 3 ingredients, like peanut butter, and no added sugar, dark chocolate, and white chocolate chip. So it's diabetic, low carb, and keto friendly, alright? This is really great for Christmas or for Halloween or for any holiday occasion. All you have to do is just change the theme, alright? It's really super delicious, so you should try it.